didn't see you there. I'm here today to talk to you about B4 science vision. For example, did you know that only certain leaf cells have chloroplasts, meaning the whole leaf isn't actually green?
Transportation in plants. Here we have a twig. Here we have a leaf. And as you can see, there are some small little, what seem to be veiny sort of things. They carry water and minerals up. That's what's known as a xylem cell. Xylem cells carry the water and the minerals up to the leaves. However, some water does evaporate as it goes up, which is caused by diffusion. As you can see in the plant, there are also things called phloem cells. These carry sugars and things like that, like foods and dissolved foods, from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Unfortunately, the four-leaf clover is not in my luck today.
So what do plants need? The answer is minerals. These minerals can include such things like nitrates. Nitrates are used in plants to make proteins, which are used for growth. Plants also need phosphates. These are used for respiration and root growth. Thirdly, there's potassium compounds. These are used for photosynthesis and respiration.
Oh my god, man, that's crazy! Absolutely crazy, man!
Lastly, there are magnesium compounds. These are used in photosynthesis.
Good afternoon, I'm Heston Blumenthal. Now today I'm going to explain to you some of my fine ways of cooking. As you can see by my book, The Total Perfection, it's a brilliant read. You must really try and read it sometime, if you're educated enough. Also with my wonderful The Fat Duck cookbook. This tells you a lot about how to cook and the ingredients used, such as gold, which you peasants out there cannot afford. Today, I'm going to show you some of the ways of preserving food. Excuse me for a second. As you can see, I'm a bit of an alcoholic. Now, as you can see by here, we have silver skin onions. These are the finest because I obviously don't buy peasant food. Now, if you look on the back, you can see that it is soaked in vinegar. Now, vinegar, such as balsamic vinegar, is a great way of killing bacteria, and it makes it so that they cannot grow in those types of conditions. Now, things like flour, this is done by drying. Many foods such as cereals and fruits and things like that, they're dried without water, so fungi cannot feed and grow on it. Sorry, I need to excuse myself from drinking again. I'm a bit of an alcoholic, you see. Also, adding salt and sugar can kill all bacteria and fungi growing inside. For example, let's go back to the onion skins. They won't grow in there because it's obviously too far-fetched. But why am I talking to you guys? You guys are peasants. You probably haven't even managed to figure out these things. You don't even know how to switch on a TV yet. Now, excuse me, I'm going to drink myself into a stupor.
That's the end of B3. Now time for some well-placed product placement.
Nothing but facts! Hi, my name's Tom Cruise, and I'm here today to talk to you about C4. Today I'm going to show you about acids and neutralization. Here we have an acid. Here we have an alkali. Now, if we mix the two together, we get to neutralization. Neutralization is 7 on the pH scale. 1 being a very high concentrated acid, and 14 being an alkali, very high concentrated. 7 gives us water.
Wait, no it doesn't. This means it's neutralized.
Oh god.
Every bit of grain crop grown in the world needs nitrogen. Over half of that nitrogen comes from man-made fertilizers. The only way these fertilizers can be made starts with the Haber process. The Haber process mixes nitrogen and hydrogen, giving a formula of NH3, which is ammonia.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Ammonia. What is it? What does it do?
Ammonia is used as fertilisers and also household cleaning products.
Hi, I'm Alex Reed, and I'm going to tell you about detergents. Detergents are used to soften water in a washing machine, and it is also used to help get dirt off things. It works by using the hydrophobic tail to get off into the water and the hydrophilic head to get into the water, so it lifts grease out of the clothing.
Good evening, America. I am George W. Bush. I'm going to talk to you about the 3 stages of your sedimentation. Sedimentation is when the larger chunks fall down to the bottom of the water. The second is filtration, where it's filtered through sand to get rid of the finer particles. And the third type.
The third kind is chlorination. This gets rid of the bacteria in water, making it okay to drink. Any more questions?
I'm David Cameron again. Now, as I was about to say earlier, before George Bush came in and got attacked by a gorilla, I'm going to talk to you about graphite. Graphite is a wonderful little invention that's used in most pencils. Pencils which are used graphite. Graphite can also be used as a lubricant. It's great stuff. People.
Carbon-14 is a radioactive isotope. It is found in all living things. By measuring the amount of carbon-14 in the substance, we can tell how. Well, look who it is!
Alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha particles are positively charged, and they're the most ionizing. However, beta, on the other hand, is negatively charged, slightly less ionizing. Finally, we have gamma. That's a wave, and it is used in most hospitals for cancer treatments. It's used in chemotherapy. Gamma is not ionizing at all. Bah! Well, that's the end of our show.
Did you learn something? No?
No,
Neither did we. And remember, kids, when you work hard, you play hard.
See you later, guys. Go and get a drink. Heston's cookbook. Nice.
Hi, my name is One Sheet, and I'm going to explain how plenty works. Are you impressed or what?
What have you done, you deranged Spanish muppet! Get out of my house!
I'm wanting to... It's not working!
Clean it up!
This is rubbish, this doesn't even work!
Plenty doesn't work! Get out of my house!